Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Wandering Architect. I am Architect Sharan with today's new video that is regarding Ultimate Architecture Software Setup Guide for Students and Graduates. So if you're an architecture student just starting out or a graduate already working on a serious project, your PC setup is crucial, right? For running those heavy architecture programs smoothly, in this video I am going to talk you through everything you need to know about or optimizing your setup to run Revit, AutoCAD, SketchUp, Rhino and other essential architecture softwares. So stick around to this video because every point I am about to share is crucial and you will definitely want to take notes. So let's directly dive right into this video with minimum specs. First we'll talk about minimum specs. These are basic that allow you to run softwares but don't accept fast performance when working on complex or large projects. At this level you will be able to open and edit files but performance will suffer when you load in bigger models or do extensive rendering. But I will still suggest you this if you are a beginner or else you are in the first or second year of your architecture course. So here are the minimum specs, that is Intel i5 or Ryzen 5 processor, 8 GB RAM and integrated graphics. Let me clear you that this setup will get the job done, but it's like trying to run in a marathon in a flip-flops. If you are planning on working on a small to medium projects and don't mind, these specs will work. But when you are starting doing big work, it will slow you down and that's when I recommend you some good specs. Now the recommend specs will be like this is where your magic happens. If you are serious about working efficiently, especially on large files and professional grade projects and you are rendering things, these specs will make sure you are always on top of your game. Here's what you should aim for. That is, you need to have Intel i7 or Ryzen 7 processor, it is must, and 16 GB RAM or more. NVIDIA GTX 1660 also works with a better graphics card. So this setup will handle your Revit, AutoCAD, SketchUp, Lumion and all other rendering softwares. Without having a good deal with lagging or waiting, you can go for these specs and you will able to do multitask between applications without missing a beat. So let's talk about budget builds versus professional builds. I know many of your students will be having a limited budget, right? You can still get a fantastic result with a less budget also. So here is a smart choice for budget build. So Intel i5 with 8 GB RAM and a GTX 1050 Ti is also fine. Great for getting started with programs like AutoCAD or SketchUp. But when you start pushing your limits to 3D like using complex models or your 3D rendering, this will definitely start to struggle a bit. But when it comes to a professional builds, that is pro build, so let me define you, that is you need Intel i7 16 GB RAM and a GTX 1660 or better. This setup will crush it on anything from Revit to Rhino to Lumion. It works perfectly. Detailed models and high quality renderings can also be generated with these specs. If you are serious about architecture, this is what you need. So I have tips for you how to optimize your setup. You don't have to break your budget to have a fast system. I am going to share some tips that will make your current setup run faster and more efficiency. These are quick wins, that is you need to, will break down into steps. Okay, first is like you need to upgrade to an SSD. SSD which is like it works make your system faster. So you need to upgrade to an SSD. Trust me, it's a really a game changer. Faster loading times, quicker files access and less waiting around. So you will thank me later when you upgrade SSD. So second comes your add more RAM. If you are running 8 GB or of RAM, consider you can upgrade it to 16 GB RAM. This makes a huge difference when you are multitasking or handling large files. Your PC will feel like it's on steroids and it starts to work on smoother performance, less freezing and there will be no more lag during presentations or renderings. Next comes your investing in better monitor. So if you are a student, you may have only one monitor, right? But trust me, dual monitor or at least a bigger one will increase your productivity. If you are a grad working with interactive models or rendering, a color accurate monitor is essential. Get a 27-inch or a 32-inch screen or higher to give yourself a more space for your workspace. So let's conclude this video. So if you are really serious about architecture, you need the right setup to match your ambition. Whether you are a student or a graduate or else an architect who is handling a large projects, these tips are going to help you the most of our hardware for your hardware and software. If you have been taking notes of this video, I hope you have got some new insights to level up your PC and workflow. Don't forget, every upgrade matters and every choice you make today will affect your productivity tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share with your friends. You are also getting into architecture. Got any questions, any doubts, just comment below. I will be very much happy to answer your queries. So thanks for watching this video completely. I am Architect Sharan signing off with this video. Let's see you in next episode.